Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're on a mission to lose weight in 2025, investing in the right treadmill can make all the difference. Today, we're breaking down our top picks for the best treadmills that are specifically designed to help you burn calories, build endurance, and reach your fitness goals. I'm excited to share these recommendations based on performance, features, and user feedback. Let's dive right in. First up is the NordicTrack Commercial 1750. This beast is a favorite for weight loss because of its impressive 12% incline capability, which mimics uphill running to torch more calories. It comes with IFIT integration, offering interactive workouts that keep you motivated. Priced around $2,000, it's a bit of an investment, but the 22-inch touchscreen and adjustable speeds from 0 to 12 miles per hour make it worth every penny. Users love how it folds up for storage, perfect for home gyms. Next, we have the Proform Carbon T10, a more budget-friendly option at about $800. It's ideal for beginners with its 10-inch touchscreen and access to thousands of workouts via IFIT. The auto incline feature helps simulate hills, boosting your metabolism, and it's super quiet, so you won't disturb the house. One downside? It's not as heavy-duty as premium models, so it might not handle intense daily use as well. For those wanting durability, the Soul F63 is our third pick, priced at around $1,000. This treadmill has a cushioned deck that reduces joint impact, making it great for longer runs without the pain. It offers speeds up to 12 miles per hour and a 15% incline, which is excellent for interval training to maximize fat burn. Plus, it's whisper quiet and has built-in speakers for your favorite playlists. Last but not least, the Peloton Tread is perfect if you thrive on community vibes, costing about $2,995. It features live classes that make workouts fun and engaging, helping you stay consistent with weight loss. The quick speed adjustments and compact design are bonuses, though it's on the pricier side. In summary, the best treadmill for you depends on your budget and needs, but all these options are stellar for shedding pounds in 2025. Remember, consistency is key. Pair your treadmill sessions with a balanced diet for the best results. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and let me know in the comments which one you're eyeing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.